Hello everyone, welcome to the Python data analysis demo. So, so this is tutor for Python and I provide online classes for on weekends and weekdays as well. So I'll just go through the course content for Python for data analysis. So starting with the first, what we cover in Python for data analysis is we cover the basics of the basic intro to the Python and what are the pros and cons of Python and the features, and we'll compare Python with the other languages and then the programming model of Python. So this is for the basic session, and then we cover the variables, what are variables and how to create variables, and then we cover data types, and then the numbers, how to work with numbers in Python, and then understanding the function named type, so to identify which type of data it is. So then we cover the conversions methods for converting one data type to another, and then we cover the strings related methods in Python. So how to work with the text data, the string data, and then we cover the operators, the different type of operators, the mathematical operators, the logical operators, and then we move to the understanding more deeply into data types like list, and how to work with list and different methods related to list. And then we move to tuples, so we understand what are tuples, when do we create tuples, and what is the differences between list and tuple, so when to go for list and when to go for tuple. And then we move to sets, so how to work with sets and different methods available for sets that we cover, and then how to work with dictionary data. And then we move to the logical expressions, that is basically the how to apply if conditions, and how to apply nested if, and how to use and or logical operators along with the if condition. Then we move to the loops. Then we cover the loops present in the Python for loop. So basically we cover the for and while loop, and then how to handle the errors, how the mechanism that we use to handle errors. And then we move to file operations related to how to access the text file and how to manipulate the data in the text file. Then we move to the functions. So we cover both built-in and user-defined functions. So there are, so how to define a function and how to perform simple to complex calculations using function, and then how to reuse the function. Uh, okay, and then we move to classes and objects for the oops concepts, and then we move to date and time module. So there are functions methods related to date and time module, so it's a separate module that we need to import to work with date and time data, how to manipulate date and how to manipulate time. Manipulation by means we how to extract year, month and day, and for the time, hour, minute and second, and then how to create a how to calculate a difference between two dates, basically the date delta, time delta. And then we move to the regular expressions, so how to work with the finding the pattern in the string, and how to perform a task like how to extract the numerical data from the text, and then how to extract a particular pattern from your data. So that is part of the regular expression, so we cover that. And then we move to the numpy. In numpy, how to we cover this like in this library we cover the how to create an errors and how to index the error, how to create one dimensional, two dimensional, three dimensional array, and then how to slice the arrays, and then how to work with data types, what are the data types for arrays, and then how to copy them, how to shape the array, how to change the shape of the existing array, and then how to loop through the array. And then stacking, we cover the stacking and joining of the array, and then how to split the array, how to join the array, and then there's some how to search within the array, and the basic filtering related to array. Then we move to the Pandas library. In Pandas, we basically cover the how to manipulate the Excel data, how to load the Excel data, how to load CSV data, and then how to perform data manipulation, how to filter data, how to handle missing data, and basically filtering, the basics to advanced filtering, like filtering a data by country, or performing different conditions related to filtering, and then how to work with the data frame mainly. And then we perform multiple functions, methods related to data analysis, how to analyze data, and how to perform a visual analysis of the data. And then we move to the library called Matplotlib, where we cover the how to create a visualization from your summarized data that we created from Pandas, and then how to create a chart, charts like uh, uh, bar chart and pie chart, area chart, scatter chart, histogram, line chart, and then how to use more functionality with the chart, and then how to create, how to apply formattings, how to apply customizations, and how to uh, uh, create like a sort of a simple report using Python. So we also cover few aspects of few visuals from few visualization from a library called Seaborn. So we cover Matplotlib and a little bit of Seaborn, and then we create some visualizations, and in the end we create a dashboard as part of the course using the Numpy, Pandas, and Matplotlib, and one other library to create a dashboard, and then we host it on host the dashboard. Okay, so that was the overview of the course contents, and I'll just go into a little detail. So we provide 20 online sessions, which is of 1 hour each, and the classes are available on weekends, and weekdays also can be managed. You can let me know if there is a requirement for weekdays. And the course name is Python for Data Analysis. In case you're interested for any other course apart from more advanced like machine learning with Python, and you can get in touch with me. Okay. Uh, okay. Thank you.